What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Maximize. Welcome. So today I have a hopefully exciting video. I don't know. Today I got up super early because my mom's cat woke me up. I'm house sitting for her, and her cat wakes up early. You know, because I was up, I went for a nice hike, saw some nice views. It was great. And then I had the whole day ahead and I was like, what am I gonna do with myself? So I went plant shopping. That's right. I went plant shopping and there were a ton of really beautiful plants, and my mom has a really great plant store near her. So I hit up that spot and they were very well stocked, let's say. One in particular caught my eye like immediately and I panic bought, of course. And I wanted to show you guys a couple plants that I got. One of them is for my mom and one of them I'm like debating. I'm like, should I give it to her or should I keep it? So let me show you what I got. Okay guys, so I changed the view of the camera. I don't know. I don't know how to do this. I'm sorry. And it's pointing up, which is like rule number one, you don't do. I'm gonna roll with it because I'm such a rebel. First plant I got was this plant. Isn't that gorge? It has a pink leaf, y'all. Like that leaf is pink, okay? And I just about lost it. There were a few others of this plant, but this one was the only one with a full pink leaf. And it's definitely a Hoya. I'm not exactly sure what kind. Because I have a Crimson Princess and it looks very different from this. This has like kind of a wider, flatter leaf. So if you guys have any ideas on what it could be, put it in the comment section for us all to be educated, because I'm not 100%. But look how lovely this, and I just picked her up, so she looks kind of rough a little bit, but she is still gorgeous. Like, look at this pink leaf. It was like $25 for this tiny plant. So they definitely got the best of me, but that's because that's their job, is to take advantage of me specifically. So it has some new leaves coming in, so I didn't feel like a total idiot. You know, it's like there's new growth happening. It's in progress, you know, so I really had to get it for that full pink leaf because I've never seen a plant with like a full pink leaf before in person, face to face. So, or leaf to face. But anyway, so this is my new Hoya. Please love her and appreciate her. And then I'm gonna get my next plant real quick. My next plant is a gorgeous Coleus hybrid. And I have been searching for so long for this plant. It's this special hybrid Coleus, and I always find this one, but in like all red. And it's like, I'm cool with all red, but I really wanted a green and red. And this one will turn really lime green if you put it in intense sunlight. And I got it for my mom because I just think, you know, a Coleus would like kill it in her yard, make it look fabulous. Because they're currently redoing their backyard. So I'm probably gonna repot it today for her. You guys can keep watching if you want to see that, but I just thought it was so gorgeous. Like, look how full and lush. I mean, it is leaning in one direction, as you can see, but that's okay, you know, that's why you rotate. This is why you rotate, everyone. This one is most likely going to go outside, although you can grow Coleus inside. You just need a lot of sunlight for them, or they get really leggy and like depressed, like emotionally depressed. Yes, I'm probably gonna repot it and have my mom keep it outside near the house, so it's not in all direct sun like all day. Plus it's summer, so it's hot. That's why I'm sweaty. I'm probably gonna keep it close to the house or in a shaded area in the yard, because Coleus tend to be shade plants, outdoor shade plants. I just love the leaf structure. Everything about it is just stunning. So let's go repot this for my mom. Okay, so I'm outside now in my mom's yard. Sorry, it's like really bright and very hot, and I'm gonna be sweating profusely, so just wrap your head around that for now. But I'm between these two pots right here for the Coleus. I'm gonna show you. I'm kind of leaning towards this one right here, this more rustic circle one, but like, I mean, this one is obviously more traditional, but I'm loving this one. I'm loving it, and that can go anywhere, and filled with Coleus, I think that'll really fill in nicely. So I think we're gonna attack this one right here. The only issue with that pot is that there are about 5 billion bugs in there, just chilling in there, and there's like webs and everything imaginable, and lots of like weird debris. So I'm gonna have to rinse it out thoroughly. 1 second. Gonna give it a good rinse. There we go. Ew. So I have a little soil in here already, and I put a rock at the bottom. So now I'm gonna pop this guy out. Oh, gorgeous. Just gonna loosen those up. Pop this boy in. And loosen the topsoil. So there's the final product. I'm gonna leave it here for now, and my mom can move it wherever she wants, but I just thought it adds that nice little full bit of color there. Eventually I think we're gonna move it to the front yard, but for now this is where she is. I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna give her some water because coleus need a lot of water. Whew, it's so hot outside. I had to come back inside. I couldn't stand it anymore. I was like sweating so much. It was like dripping off of my face. I repotted the coleus and I put it outside like I showed you. I'm still gonna keep this Hoya in its plastic pot for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I'm so sweaty. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please like, please comment, and let me know what you want to see. And please turn on those notification bells so you know every time I post, okay? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!